Once one teacher asked a student that can anyone give us the example of nothing? So what is the example of nothing? So one student said, yes, it's very easy. What is that? A bladeless knife without handle. So first, it is bladeless knife and without handle. Is there anything? Nothing. So similar is the situation with impersonalists. They describe God with neti, neti. He's not having nose, he's not having mouth, he's not having ears. Then what is? Nothing is there. कुछ नहीं तो है क्या? We have told that He is God. He is full of all appliances. Everything is there. But you are now negating everything. You are removing each and every aspect of the God. He is not having eyes. He is not having mouth. He can't walk. He can't talk. So all these things are they neti neti. It is like bladeless knife without handle. With bladeless knife without handle, you can't cut any fruit. You can't eat it and you can't release it. So there is no mallows. So to enjoy or to release the spiritual life, you need personal interaction. With impersonal feature, you cannot release Srimad Bhagavatam or with the Lord. That's why it is said that to release this mellow, God has to have this all transcendental qualities and with personal feature. In Srimad Bhagavatam, transcendental pastimes of Lord are narrated and systematically depicted by Sukadeva Goswami, accepting all classes of person, including those who seek liberation to release the humor of becoming one with the supreme whole. So the person who are desiring to become one with the supreme whole, they also get attracted to the personality of Godhead. Otherwise, the philosophy of impersonalism, which describes God as bladeless knife without handle, in itself is like a blade. When you associate with this blade, you get cut off. So that's why it is said that Mayavad bhasya sunite hoite sarvanas. So when you are cooking in the kitchen, all the person must be having this experience. Sometimes you got cut because you are dealing with knife. However, you are cautious with fire, with knife. With me personally, if I am cutting, every day I will get some cut. And every day somewhere minor burn, something will be there, which is not noticeable, but that is there with me. Because I'm not so expert, but expert people also get sometime. So associating with this impersonal features is like cutting ourselves. If one is not blessed or not blessed to inquire about these things, then he should be better refrain from such activities. Otherwise, it is said that चाकू खरबूजे पे गिरे या खरबूजा चाकू पे, कटना तो खरबूजे को ही है.